So, guys, the big story is the heat, obviously. Still talking about that again. It's July. This isn't anything like, extraordinary, but it's certainly going to be hot out there and uncomfortable.
Dog days of summer.
Dog days of summer, exactly. Right in the middle of it. That technically goes from July 3rd to August 11th. And that was the time of year when Sirius, the dog star, would rise just after the sun. And the ancient people thought it added heat to the day. So that's why it's kind of the hottest time of the year, and it's really kind of on target. This is climatologically our hottest stretch of the year itself, and we may be pushing towards a few records here in the next few days. Here's a comparison of the forecast to the record highs that have been standing for quite a while, up in the triple digits everywhere. But tomorrow, best chances at coming close or maybe tying the record of 101. The forecast high is 100. Both today and then Saturday, I think we're going to end up well below that record, but still nonetheless very, very hot. And with the humidity, it'll feel just as hot as those records, if not warmer than that. Satellite and radar this morning, nothing going on. It's quiet out there. It's rather comfortable as well. Temperatures down in the 60s in Hosky, 70 in Chesapeake, 75 Newport News to Norfolk, but it is muggy out there. Dew point's not too far behind the actual air temperatures there, so you can feel that out the door. 75 in Williamsburg, and it's 73 now in Portsmouth. We put the humidity and the air temperatures together this afternoon at the peak time of the day. It's going to be feeling like 100 to 105 likely. And we fast forward to tomorrow when we get the air temperatures to around 100. I think these numbers are a little bit low. I think we're going to be pushing towards 110, 112 in many spots throughout tomorrow afternoon. So a good spot to beat the heat if you're not sitting indoors in the air conditioning. Maybe the beach, 91, so a few degrees cooler today. And once that sea breeze kicks in later on this afternoon, it'll feel a lot cooler than that 91. Water temperatures in the upper 70s to around 80. That UV index still rather high. Here's how it pans out on Futurecast. Notice a real lack of any clouds, at least through the first half of the day. This afternoon, a few fair weather clouds starting to bubble on up with that daytime heating and maybe the chance of an isolated shower or storm for somebody across Hampton Roads later on. Climbing into the mid-90s. Tonight, we only cool down into the upper 70s to around 80, so very, very warm, giving us a kickstart tomorrow to an extraordinarily warm day. 94 today, partly cloudy. That heat index making it feel close to 105. 78 tonight, mostly clear, very muggy and warm. And there's a look at the weekend. Upper 90s. Both days, partly cloudy, isolated storms in the afternoon, and still hot and humid into early next week before some minor relief gets here by Tuesday and Wednesday.